Hello guys, welcome back on Techie again. Today I am with a video, a pretty short one, which explains you why do you come across the hash error in Excel. Okay, let's see what Google has to say about it. Why am I getting hash in Excel? Microsoft Excel might show hash in cells when a column isn't wide enough to show all of its cell contents. It's a very straightforward answer. Let me explain you with an example. See, I have a date here and I have formatted that particular date with a short date format. Okay, now I am going to change the date format into a long date format. Let's see what happens now. It prints you a string of hash errors. So, as it was saying in Google, if the data in a particular cell cannot accommodate the full contents, it's gonna bring you the hash error. So what's the fix? Very easy way. Just you have to double tap on the cell, which gonna expand the cell. You're gonna double tap on it. So it shows the full content and your error disappears. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.